So before this video gets started, if you want a super easy way to make money right now, there's an app called GetUpside. They pay you money to upload a picture of your gas receipt every time you go to the gas station, you fill up gas. All you have to do is go to one of the gas stations in the app, take a picture of your receipt, and you'll get up to 25 cents back per gallon that you fill up. So I'm talking like a couple bucks back every single time you fill up gas. And if you use my link and code, you'll get an additional 15 cents back per gallon. So that means on the first time you fill up, you'll get up to 40 cents back per gallon. I use it, and you can redeem the cash for Amazon gift cards, Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, PayPal money, or just sent directly to your bank account, or even a check sent to your door. Yeah, even a check sent to you. But yeah, the app is called GetUpside. Please use the link. You will not regret it. Stop paying full price for gas. And yeah, you can start making money today. So use the link down below. Okay, now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So this is a breaking news video. We do these videos from time to time when big news happens, and in California right now, Uber and Lyft apps are down. The activity is down in the apps. It's not up, but it's down, which I'm just gonna break it to you. If you're driving Uber and Lyft in California right now, you most likely do not want to go out and drive. The restrictions in California for 19 counties, I believe. I'm gonna go over all the restrictions, all the policies, just so you guys know. But if you're an Uber and Lyft driver in this state, California, I'm in California, so this is actually directly affecting me. For instance, again, I'm gonna go over the restrictions in a second, but there is a Starbucks that I frequent, and usually I go in, and they don't care if you're wearing a face mask or not. Usually I do anyway, but you know, you'll see people in there without face masks. And today I was with my friend, and we wanted to film a TikTok in the Starbucks, and I went inside. I didn't have a face mask. You know, I was just gonna go in and get out really quick, and they said, you cannot come in without a face mask anymore. Hey Elias, where are you going?
I'm going to Starbucks.
You're going to Starbucks? Yeah. Hey, I have a crazy dare for you. How about you go in and say your name is David Dobrik?
No.
It'll be so funny. Do it.
Fine, I'll only do it if everybody in the comment section tags David Dobrik in the comments.
Okay, everyone has to tag David Dobrik right now.
Right now.
Okay, let's go.
Dude, you guys, Starbucks didn't even let us in without a mask.
And restaurants now are closed for dining in. Again, this is quarantine round 2, guys, especially in California. If you're in other states, this is most likely coming to your state soon as well. Actually, in my hometown, fireworks are canceled for 4th of July. I don't know when you're watching this video. Maybe you're, you know, just catching up after the 4th of July, but no fireworks. And I think beaches are closed. Actually, beach parking is closed now too. So this is legit deja vu, quarantine round 2, and I'm gonna go over it all. I'm gonna sync up my phone right now so we can all look at this together, because holy horseradish, this is insane. So again, this directly applies to Uber and Lyft drivers, and this is honestly just absolutely insane in the membrane. So here we go, guys. This is Contra Costa, Fresno, Glen, Imperial, Kern, Kings, LA, Merced, Orange, Riverside, Sacramento, San Bernardino, San Joaquin, Santa Barbara, Santa Clara, Solano, Stanislaus, Tulare, Ventura. 19 California counties impacted by new coronavirus restrictions. These counties must close indoor operations at the following: restaurants, wineries, tasting rooms, movie theaters. I didn't know movie theaters reopened, but regardless. Family entertainment centers, zoos, museums, card rooms. Dang it, I wanted to go to freaking card room tonight, bro. What are me and the boys gonna do tonight? Oh, we all said we were gonna go to the card rooms. Dang it, we were gonna go card room hopping. Actually, we were gonna go to all the card rooms in our county, but dang it, maybe we have to go to a different county to do the card rooms. I gotta call up the boys real quick. No, I'm just kidding, guys. But seriously, let's just check the news really quick. Bruh, I don't want to go to Facebook. What the heck? California coronavirus. Check this out. Check this out, guys. You do not want to miss this. If I have service out here. By the way, guys, I just got this new coffee that Starbucks just created for, I don't know if you guys know who David Dobrik is, but I was hanging out with him and he left his coffee here with me. I'm just kidding. We were making a dumb TikTok. Here we go, guys. Look at this. Over 10,000 cases in California alone today. Over 180,000 new cases within the last day, it looks like, globally. Oh no, California cases. How did the United States cases up 3,000 and then California up 11,000? Does not make any sense to me. Isn't how California went from coronavirus success to hotspot in just 5 weeks? California rejected. California officials blasted egg salad and a basketball star provide one California cafe's coronavirus lifeline. California orders, here we go, orders indoor businesses to close in 19 counties. So guys, if you're an Uber and a Lyft driver and you're in California, now it literally guys, in my town, I'm not gonna say which town I'm in because you know, I don't really feel comfortable sharing my location with everyone on the internet, but my town, like literally yesterday, I think that was yesterday, one of my local bars was packed. Like there's people in the bar hanging out, whatever. I actually, oh yeah, I did go to a restaurant recently, but that was in northern Orange County. But the town that I'm in, literally, like it looked like normal. Life was back to normal. So not necessarily, I mean, I don't want to like spill my whole take on it because whatever, I know everyone has to make their own beliefs, but like, let's just say for Uber and Lyft driving, that was in a way a good thing because traffic is back up, so it means you can start go out and driving again. But now this looks like we're going backwards, and Uber and Lyft driving activity, guys, I guarantee you is down right now. California announced sweeping new restrictions on indoor activities on Wednesday. Restaurants, movie theaters, blah blah blah, I already told you guys. Okay, so here we go. This is the this is what we're talking about for the next 3 weeks at least, so it could be more. The guidance applies to indoor operations and dining restaurants, wineries, tasting rooms, family entertainment, blah, blah, blah. But the businesses are allowed to modify their operations to provide outdoor service or pickup. So literally now they're only open for pickup. And guys, this is true, I can confirm it. Because I went out to eat today or just to check, you know, see what's going on. No, nothing indoor anymore, nothing, none of that. I am curious about gyms because I was thinking about going back to the gym, but I'm not paying for gym membership right now. I was going to Equinox, paying, what was I paying? Almost $300 a month for Equinox, which a lot of people think is insane, but when you're living in LA and you want to go to a gym, you don't want to go to 24-hour fitness. You want to go to a nice gym, and people pay way more for personal training. And Equinox, they have nice showers, they got a steam room, they got a pool, jacuzzi, which I know some other gyms too, but I feel like other places are just gross. Equinox is like really clean, everything's really nice, friendly, and you surround yourself with very successful people. You'll find that in LA, Los Angeles especially. You go to nice gyms, nice restaurants, you surround yourself with successful people. I find myself more likely to be successful when I'm surrounding myself with more successful people. That's why a lot of people fly first class, is because, you know, they end up meeting a lot of people, other people who also fly first class, and you end up doing business with them. But anyways, California is seeing the virus spreading at alarming rates in many parts of the state, and we are taking immediate action to slow it. But I was just trying to say, I'm not paying that right now, which is really nice. I'm saving a lot of money, and I'm just working out. That's what a lot of people are calling me fat now, but hey, I'm still trying to get my walks in, my push-ups and everything. But California cases have spiked 72% in the last 2 weeks. The situation is catastrophic in places like Riverside, in LA. But yeah, guys, I just want to share this information with you guys, just so you guys know. It will be interesting to see how 4th of July pans out. But yeah, guys, I'll talk to y'all soon. Make sure to use the link down below for GetUpside, so you can save up to 40 cents off per gallon on your first fill up. You'll get the cash back in your bank account in the app through PayPal. All right, bye guys, have a great day. Later.